A question from the properties. Without expanding, we have to evaluate x plus y plus z, z plus x, z x y minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 without using the expansion. Okay, now we are having, we can go through the question, looking towards the question with the first sight what it appears. Okay, now it appears that now the determinant is what? Now if we are taking, now we are writing x plus y plus z, y plus z plus x, z plus x plus y. Okay, what I have done? I have just done, I have written R1 approaches to R1 plus R2. This I have used. Okay, so here it is z, x, y, minus 3, minus 3, minus 3. Okay, then further next step can be now is equal to x plus y plus z and minus 3. Now what is left? 1, 1, 1, z, x, y, 1, 1 and 1. Okay, now what I have done it, taking x plus y plus z and minus 3 common from R1 and R3. Okay, now when two rows or columns are identical, R1 and R3 are identical. So according to the property, if R1 and R either rows or columns are identical, then determinant is 0. Okay, so now we can write it x plus y plus z minus 3 with this determinant, and determinant is what? 0 according to the property. Okay, so this is equal to x plus y plus z minus 3 with 0. This is equal to 0. Okay, result of this determinant is 0. That's why I have mentioned this separately here. Okay, determinant of this part. Okay, so here goes the answer.